This is the neutral grip lat pull down, a great exercise to target the lats, specifically the lower and middle part of the lats. Right here, I'm using a close grip or a V-bar grip, but you can do something a little bit wider. I just recommend keeping it within shoulder width. The key right here is that I'm pulling down towards my thighs. As you can see, my hips are not all the way forward on those thigh pads. Those thigh pads are sitting about the middle of the thigh. I'm trying to keep a neutral spine, try not to push that chest up, or else I'll be working a little bit more of the teres and the middle back. Control is key on this movement. Take that eccentric nice and slow on that way up, and on that way down, get a good pause at the very bottom as you're trying to bring those elbows down towards the thighs. The key thing on this movement to get a better mind-muscle connection and stretch on the lats is as you are going up during the eccentric, push those palms forward and allowing that chest and the torso to slightly come in between those arms, but don't push that neck forward. This is going to help keep some tension in the lats and get the full stretch on the lats as you're going up. And then as you're going down, make sure you're pulling down towards those knees and those thighs and not trying to lean back too much. To help with stability of this movement, use those feet, press down almost like you're doing a calf raise. This is going to help you keep you nice and tight in the seat. On this exercise, grip can be a big factor right here. So as you can see, I have some microfiber towels on those handles to make sure I get better grip. Also at the very top, make sure you still have a slight bend in the elbow and don't extend that arm all the way. Towards the very end, it's common to get form breakdown, so make sure that you are keeping those abs tight to keep your form in check. Let's grow that back, and you know what to do. Like and subscribe, please.